Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can take a trending video meme and superimpose it onto a meme of your own to create a DIY video meme for yourself. This involves TikTok and CapCut. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into it. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is log into TikTok and then search whatever that meme is. So in this case, it's John Cena dancing. So here it is, and you'll click on one, and you want to look for the CapCut try this template. Click on that, and it will take you to CapCut. Click use this template, and it will give you the option to pick a video or a photo as the background. I'm just going to use this adorable photo of two of my cats. All right, and now you have the option to move John Cena around and change the text. You just click on it, choose text, add whatever text will make your meme hilarious. And as you can see, it's in one straight line. You can't see it all, so I'm going to go back in and edit it and just manually put in those line breaks. And there we go. That's perfect. And now I'm going to click edit again on the video and move John Cena around a little bit, put him exactly where I want him to be. Looks good to me. Then I'm going to click export, and you could either save it to the device with the CapCut watermark, or you can just post it directly to TikTok without the watermark. And because I don't really use TikTok all that often, I prefer Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and save it to my device, and then I will jump on over to Instagram, search for John Cena dancing so that I can get the audio that goes with it. Here it is. I'm going to click on the audio title, use audio, and then on the bottom left, click the plus, add my video, add, and there it is. Click next, choose the cover image, adjust the profile grid image, add your caption, and share it. There you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.